I want to start by saying that this is going to be a voiceover because all my audio was lost for this video. So I'm going to start off with the Bad Habit palette After Hours. I'm just using this brownish taupey color for my whole lid because I just want to put on a base color before I put on all these dark colors just so they blend a little bit easier on my face. But yeah, it's just like a simple neutral color. You can use any palettes for this. Every palettes have these colors, I'm pretty sure. Or you can find one that does. But like I said, this palette is After Hours by Bad Habit. And then I'm going to go into this red color called Carbanet, hence the title of this video. I'm taking a big fluffy brush. This is the number 6 by BH Cosmetics. And what I'm going to do is put it in the inner corner of my eye. And I have to drag it above my crease because I have hooded eyelids. And if you have hooded eyelids, it's better to drag the color up higher so that you can actually see the colors that you put down. Because if you don't, you're really not going to be able to see the colors that well. So I'm just packing on this deep red wine Cabernet color. And yeah, so I'm just going to blend. Blend upwards. But yeah, I was just telling you guys, I seen this really cool video of this girl called Glam Goth. She's another YouTuber, and she did like a tag video, and I thought it was really cool. It's for like black alternative girls tag, since we are a rare breed. If you don't know, I'm all tatted up. You can't really see like my chest tattoos and the rest of my tattoos because I don't know. I never wear shirts that are super revealing where you can see it. But yeah, just drag that color up and so you can see it really good. I'm just letting you guys know. And then I'm gonna go into my Morphe palette. This is the Artistry palette. I think it's a 35F. And I'm just taking a black color. I'm going to put it on the outer corner of my eye. And I'm using the same brush I used for the red color, which will make it like a smoky, like red black, if that makes sense. And I'm just going to drag the color into my crease. Well, above my crease. Because, like I said, I have hooded eyes. So for me, it's above my crease. But if you don't have hooded eyes, just drag it into your crease if you want. With a big fluffy brush. And you're going to blend, blend, blend. When you're using black, start with a little and then add more. Because you can't take away black once you put it down. And then I'm just taking a piece of paper because I want this eyeshadow to be very sharp looking on the edges. But everybody was asking for a smoky eye look, so I decided to do this. I'm not that good at smoky eyes, but you get what you ask for. You use paper, tape, whatever. They actually sell stuff that you can put under your eyes that stick to your eyes to give you that sharp shape. So yeah. And then I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm going to get like this cream color out of the Bad Habit palette again, right there. It's just a light cream color. I'm going to use it to blend the top of my shadows so I don't have any like harsh lines. And you're just going to gently blend, blend, blend. I'm not moving the color upwards. I'm just keeping it in the same spot, but just like blending it out, if that makes sense. Just right up under my eyebrow. And this is how it looks after. Really pretty. And now I'm taking that red color again and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of the black color from the Morphe palette. And I'm going to put this under my lower lash line. You'll see. See, I just put a tiny bit of black, a tiny bit. You can add a little bit more black if you want to be more like smoky, but it is what it is. Like I said, I'm just smoking out my lower lash line. I'm so upset that my camera wasn't like, the audio wasn't recording because it's such a good video. And I was talking about so much stuff, but that's how it looks with my eyes smoked out at the bottom. Now I'm using this BH Cosmetic eyeliner and I really do not like this eyeliner. Like it spouts out the ink, like the liner all over your face. You have to be very careful when using this liner, so I really don't recommend it, but it's the only one I had on hand. So I'm just like slowly doing my eyeliner, and you can see I pull my eye when I do my eyeliner, and you should not do that, but I've been doing this since middle school, literally. It's the only way I know how to get like a straight line, because I'm not like pro at eyeliner. And I'm not going to do a wing or anything like that since this look is already really dark. I'm just going to do like the top eyelid. And now I'm putting on my Pat McGrath mascara. I really like this mascara. It's just a sample size because the girl's broke and I cannot afford the full size. And they sent me this one for free. So I was like, I like it a lot. I really like it a lot. If I had the money, I would totally buy like the full size, but that's not gonna happen anytime soon. And I'm just gonna do my lower lashes also. But yeah, just doing my lower lashes. Super cute. And now I'm taking my Juvia's Place blush palette. This is the volume 2. I'm just taking that orange and purpley color and putting it on my cheeks. And I'm also going to put it on my nose because I actually kind of like it. If you see my last video, Black Girl Tries Drunk Blush video I made, you put it on your nose, but I just put a little bit on my nose. I didn't like drag it all the way under my nose, under my eyes, I mean. And now I'm just putting on this deep purple liquid lipstick called Ursula. I forgot what company makes it, but it'll probably be in the description. And now I'm taking the Miss Metals glitter eyeshadow. You gotta be careful with this because it like burns because the glitter is dispensed in the alcohol, I believe. So I'm just putting that in the inner corner of my eyes and the lower corner of my eyes. And this is the look. I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what video you would like to see next. And I love you guys. Bye.